The next section of the merchant portal we're going to take a look at is the customers tab. This is broken into two subsections. So we have customer insights and ratings and reviews. The customer insight tab is going to provide you an overview of what the market looks like for customers within your area. So it's going to show you a map. It'll show you the percentage of new customers. Again, you have a drop-down tool to adjust what view you want to take a look at, whether it be this month, last week, or this week. But it's going to show you new customers, occasional and frequent, as well as giving you like a target area to show you where customers are ordering from in your area at your store most frequently. Moving along, we have the ratings and reviews tab. Again, since this is a test account, we don't really have quality data shown here, but yours would look much different where you can select a drop-down view, change the date range, or do a custom date range, and you'll see ratings and reviews left by customers who've ordered from your store. We don't have one to show you in real time, but you would see a review and you would see a little receipt emblem next to it, which would support that they actually did complete an order through your store. You can actually click that receipt, which would populate a new window on the right showing you the exact order that they had with your store. But the important call out here is you do have 7 days to respond from when a review is left on your store, to respond directly to the customer, leave any feedback. Maybe it's a negative review and you want to make it right for them. So just keep in mind that you have 7 days after reviews left to respond to that review.